Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background color on a Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our Photoshop application, and after we have this application opened, we can choose a photo we want to change the background. For instance, I'm going to change the background color of this photo, and then we can go to the background option. You can scroll all the way to the right a little bit, then you can click on this background. Then here you just need to choose the color you want to apply to your photo. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one, guys. We can click on the color, and as you can see, guys, that the background color has been changed. And if you want to save this photo, you just need to click on the save button, and then the photo will be saved to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background color in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.